Today on CJ Off-Road, Matt's stuck again. It's a beautiful day here in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Yesterday we got about 8 inches of thick, heavy snow. Perfect snow for having a little bit of fun with our vehicles. If you remember last time, we took the JL out in the mud to see how well it did. It didn't do the best, so I invited Matt out here to have a little fun with me in the snow. And he's on his way right now. It's doing pretty good. Dude, that was awesome.
Dude, what's going on?
That looked amazing.
Right?
Looks a little different.
Yeah, well, you can't really see, but there's some brand new wheels and 35-inch Nitto mud grapplers underneath there.
Let's take a look.
See if you can dig them out, dude.
It's like opening a Christmas present.
It is, like a snow Christmas present.
I don't know if I can.
They are an ATX AX201. They got the bronze finish on there. Well, remember last time we were out here and I got really stuck in the mud because I was running all-terrain tires. So I put a set of Nitto mud grapplers on there, the 35-inch, and
nice.
So I think we'll be able to get through. I think we brought some extra recovery gear this time so I don't have to dig through the mud to find that D-ring like the last video.
Yeah. Why don't we go to the same place we went last time?
Okay.
We start out with the little mud pit over there.
Yeah.
And then see how you do, so you can get through the mud and snow.
Yeah.
And then end up in this swamp area right here.
Yeah, let's give it a go again.
Yeah. Okay, so Matt is on the other side of that little mud pit over there. That's what I had him go through last time. Might be a little bit more challenging now that there's 8 to 10 inches of snow in conjunction with the mud and creek that runs through it. But he does have some pretty beefy tires on there, so he should be able to get through it. And if he does, I've got a snowball waiting for him.
So with that being said, we got it in 4 low. Let's hit it.
Here he comes. Nice, look at that. Ah! Made it through without a problem. Those tires are ridiculous. Well, just like last time, that was a little easy.
Yeah, it was easy last time too.
Why don't we see if you can drive in and drive out? I'll wash the Jeeps.
All right.
But if I
and
have
not like last time, where you wash the ground. You actually have to wash them.
I sprayed it a little bit. But if you get stuck and I have to pull you out, then you gotta wash them.
I gotta wash both Jeeps.
No, I mean, he's the Jeep expert. Like, he might know Jeeps, but he doesn't know. Yeah, he's actually from the Southwest, like Arizona. And this is, he is kind of embarrassed to admit, but this is his first winter ever. So he's not really familiar with snow. And I'm really hoping he gets stuck out there. Send it.
You ready to go?
Get her stuck.
All right, let's go.
Get her stuck. Nice. Oh my God. Wow. That is worse than last time. What? All right, you guys want to pack up and go?
Let's do it.
All right.
See ya.
Let's end this production. We're gonna go back to the studio and
lunch break time.
yeah, he's on his own. So I'm gonna get my JK and leave.
Is that lunch?
That's lunch. Bye, Matt. Oh man.
This is worse than last time.
It is way worse. This is we're up creek without a paddle and a hole in our boat. Does Daddy have to come pull you out again? So, do you think that JK can pull this out, or should we use the F-150?
If you could see over here, it's up to the door, the bottom of the door in mud.
You did a good one.
Dude, I think the snow mixed with the mud and made some sort of hybrid almost. Like,
yes.
Like not skeg, because this is skeg in here, but mixed with
SCO.
Yeah, something. We'll have to think of a name for it. This like feels worse. It's worse than like my high school food. Oh, oh man. I don't know how I'm gonna get to it.
Oh, come on, just suck it up and jump in there. We'll go get a mani-pedi after this.
Let me,
we'll get all dolled up after this.
Yeah.
So even though you lost the bet, I say we just get Brendan to wash these.
I got the hitch mounted D-ring, the one from Rugged Ridge, in the receiver, so.
Yeah, and that's nice and centered, so it should pull out a little bit easier, right?
Do you see how thick this is? I
That
think
is.
the Bubba Rope will be able to yank it out.
Let's do it.
But, all right.
Catch.
Yeah, give me a nice throw. Oh boy. I'm gonna hop in the Jeep, and we'll honk and you hammer down. Well, don't hammer down, just ease on it. But I don't want you to get stuck because you're in the skeg right there. All right, let me crawl back into the Jeep. Hey, have Freddy back up and try again.
She's stuck, brother.
I think we're gonna have to winch her. So I think I'm just too deep in mud. This Bubba Rope's great for the kinetic, but you have to back up into the mud to get me out, so.
I think you're like stuck in
over
there.
here, it looks like cement. Oh. Oh. Come on, man. I'm just debating on how we're gonna get it out. This is too far in. Like, you're not getting enough traction. And I don't wanna have you back in further because then you'll end up getting stuck. If we back the F-150 up here onto solid ground, let's do it. Go ahead.
I figure worst case is we can just leave the JL in there and we'll just tell our boss that we took it to the dealership for maintenance. They won't ever know. Cast that and mount it on the wall in the studio.
Look at that. What kind of tire do you think that is, Fred?
That's a BFG.
It looks natural, like it was recent.
Yeah.
Like a KM2 almost.
I bet, you know what?
What's that?
I bet it was a JL.
A wild JL.
A wild JL.
Wow, that's great. I'll have to say that. Yeah, let's see if we can find one.
Yeah.
You got about, like, back up like 3 more feet. Stop right there. Now, when you go, turn right and hammer down.
So with the JK, I have to say, on a scale of 1 to 10, my confidence for getting the JL out with the JK was about a 0. I didn't think it was gonna work at all. Now that we have this behemoth, I'm at like a solid 2. It is pretty stuck. We might need to get a helicopter. Maybe. Dude, we got it.
This thing got it out.
She was really stuck. I didn't think it was gonna come out.
It was almost like cement. Like, it really felt
like cement.
like
It looks like it's covered in cement. So we know it can't get through our proving grounds.
Yeah.
What else can we do with it?
Why don't we just do some donuts, man? And,
send it?
Send it.
So I figure, you know, while he's cleaning the Jeep, there's nothing really better to do when it snows like this than to make a snowman. So I'm gonna try to make us a little CJ snowman. You pretty much destroyed all of the good snow. It no longer looks like a nice winter wonderland anymore.
It kind of stinks about your snowman there, huh?
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I do have one final idea though.
What is it?
We have a JK
Yeah.
and a JL.
Yep.
Similar tires.
Yep, pretty close.
We should do a drag race and see which one is faster.
Well, let's,
They both got mud tires. They're the same size, right?
Yeah, 35s.
Yeah, so it should be pretty comparable.
Yeah, I'll take the yellow Jeep. Why don't you hop in the new JL and let's see what they'll do.
Line them up.
All right, dude.
Well, here's the thing. The JL, I definitely think has more power than the JK, but I think that might be why it might lose. The JK is pretty powerless, and I think it's gonna have more traction than the JL. On the street, JL would win hands down, but I think he might have the traction advantage. We're about to go. Oh, traction control, traction control. Oh, traction control. Oh, it's bogging down. That was like dead even though. I wonder if this would do better or worse with traction control off. Yeah, the traction control the whole time was bogging it down. I'm gonna do it without it. And race number 2. Oh, we're gonna get him this time. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. No traction at all. We are slideways, ladies and gentlemen. We lost. The JK won. The JK won. All right, so that last run, traction control was off, and you know, it was no competition really. You had me the entire time.
That's surprising too, because this thing's got the 3.8 liter. That's the old Jeep motor, which is a lot slower than the 3.6, but I think there's a lot more safety sensors in this thing. But anyways, that was really awesome. I think the JL handled the snow really well, besides that little marsh back there. Yeah. Has some great tires on it. I think it took me in further, and that mud and the skeg and the snow kind of mixed together and just like cement.
It was just an all-around disaster.
But it was like, you know, it was a great time. At least we had the parts to get us out too.
Yep, the Bubba Rope, the D-rings.
Yep, we got the new tires on there. I think it did help us. We got the BF Goodrich tires on the SEMA truck. Yep. So, all right, man, well, let's get back and like we said the first time, we'll try and make somebody wash them, but we'll probably end up washing them. We really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a comment below. Let us know what you guys think. For all of your off-road content, make sure you subscribe to our CJ Off-Road YouTube channel.